In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Sendgrid email. We'll walk through creating a one-time marketing email using Sendgrid's single sends feature. This is perfect for things like announcements, newsletters, or special promotions, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to go from a blank screen to a finished email ready to send to your audience. Once you're logged into your Sendgrid account, look over to the left-hand sidebar, find the option labeled Marketing, and click on it. This is where all of your marketing-style emails and contact lists live, so most of your broadcast email work will start here. Inside the marketing section, look for Single Sends and select it. Single Sends are one-off emails that go out to your chosen list or segment all at once. In the top right corner of this page, you'll see a button that says Create Single Send. Go ahead and click that to start building a new email. Next, you'll be prompted to choose a template. Here, you have a few options. You can use a pre-built Sendgrid design if you want something that's ready to go quickly. You can pick one of your own saved templates if you've created emails before and want to reuse a layout. Or, if you want full control, you can start from a blank template. Choose whichever option best fits what you're trying to send. After choosing the template, select the design editor. This is the drag and drop editor that makes it easy to visually build your email without needing to write any code. Before you get too deep into the design, it's important to configure the main settings. Switch over to the Settings tab. Here, you'll set 3 key items. First, choose your From Sender. This needs to be a verified sender email in your account, so your message can actually be delivered. Next, enter your subject line. Try to keep it clear and aligned with the content of your email so recipients know what to expect. Finally, choose your recipients by selecting the lists or segments you want this email to go to. This lets you target your message to the right audience. Now go back to the design area and build out your email. Use the drag and drop tools to add text, images, buttons, and dividers, and adjust the layout and styling until it matches your brand and your message. When everything looks good and your settings are complete, click Review Details and Send. This will show you a final summary of your email, and from there you can launch it immediately.